Hey guys, if you don't have a developer account but want to test that iOS 12, then here's how you can do it. I'm installing it on my iPhone 7 Plus as I don't fancy a beta, however you want to pronounce it, version on my main phone. First up, browse to this URL, the link is in the description below. Then hit the slow download button. You need the configuration file, so you'll want to hit allow here. Then tap install and enter your passcode. A restart will be required. Once the profile is installed and your iPhone or iPad reboots, go to Settings, General, then Software Update. You'll see the option to download and install it, so tap that. It'll probably take around 10 minutes or so to complete, at least that's how long it took for me. And that's it, you're done. Be sure to drop a like if you found this video useful, and drop a comment if you'd like to see a video on the features of iOS 12.